How to sign out of Gmail on phone. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Gmail application. Then tap on your profile icon. Now go to manage account on this device. Now in order to remove that ID from your device, what you will have to do is simply tap on the account and then select remove account. Confirm removing and you will be done. But if you simply want to switch to another account, what you can do is select account that you want to log into and the account will be changed. So that's how you do it. Whether it's an iPhone or Android, the process is just the same. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.